decided to do a balloon garland. I've already been like practicing and playing with my colours. I don't know what colour I'm going to choose yet, but I'm just going to go for it. How are you liking my little hairdo, guys? I was trying to ting, you know what I mean? Trying to dress up before I turned the big forehead. I did some makeup. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah. Looking smooth in the house, you know, so when the man comes home. Anyway, I'm going to get into it. Okay, I think I've got issues. Can you see? That's all the balloons that I want. I can't make up my mind what colours to go with. So I've just decided to hell with it. I'm having them all. It's just going to be one colourful balloon garland because I can't make up my mind. I don't want to be stylish. I'm on lockdown. I can't go anywhere. So I'm like, to hell with it. I'm just going to go crazy. That is a lot of balloons though. But who cares? You only 40 once.